Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again, and today we will be putting all the worst of the last year slash 2 years to the test so you can actually see how these things perform. Now, if you have watched my last video, and if you didn't, you should. There are too many products to actually use all of them on my face because, you know, we have multiple lip products, we have multiple eye products, but I promise I will try to use as many products as I can. Now, I do not have a bad eyeshadow base, so I'm cheating a little bit, but hey, I don't have a bad product for that, so you know. And yeah, I will just go get right into it because otherwise I will be sitting in the darkness halfway through the video. So I will pull you closer and we'll get right to it. Right, I'm gonna quickly prime. Next I will do my brows. Now, for those who watch my videos regularly, thank you. And also you would know that I usually don't do anything with my brows, but today is another day. So for that I will be using the Sleek Makeup Brow Kit in Light 817. It looks like so. I just feel like I look angry whenever I do my eyebrows because I feel like they are thick enough for my face the way they are. But yeah, that is definitely a lot more filled in. So now I'm gonna go over with the powder. I feel like I look crazy whenever I do my eyebrows, to be fair. I just feel like the eyebrows I have, well, after, you know, plucking them into shape, are sufficient for my face. I feel like whenever I try to draw on or even fill them in, it's just too strong. I will say that it's not as bad of a match if you have orange or reddish kind of a hair, because it does pull a little bit warm. Concentrate, the Lumiere 02, or the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette in a romantic eyeshadow palette, Little Sinner. I think I'm gonna go with the silver under the brow and then with the white kind of in the inner corner. Okay, wow, this is off to a good start. And to be fair, I'm not trying to sabotage this look, so I'm gonna actually try to, you know, make it look decent. So for that reason, I will be using the color Quarry from MAC. And I will use a crease brush. I'll use this one, and I'm gonna try to start building the crease color. I don't think that looks bad actually. This one might yet be good. I think maybe you just need to every so often get the top layer off because it does dry down, but yeah, I mean, now that I have put on about a few layers, basically, it doesn't look so bad as it did the other day when I used it. So we might have just cleared that one's name. I'm just going over with the brush that we use for that shimmery color, just to kind of blend. And so, because I obviously want to showcase as many as possible of these products, it looks like I will be going into a greenish route because I do have 3 green eyeshadows, and I will be using the Bourjois 07 Noir Emerald. I'm just gonna call it Emerald. So it's this color here, and I'm just gonna put it into the outer corner. Now this one is definitely one of those colors that you can't blend at all. You need to press it in, basically, because as soon as you try to blend it, it goes patchy, which is super annoying. So now we're gonna attempt to blend it out, because I have taken it out just a little bit, and it's gone. Just to compare to this side, can you see where I have put it on? I literally just went to blend it, and yeah, the color is pretty much gone. It's very strange. Yeah, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Just so that you have idea what's happening. I don't think it looks as bad as I can see it, but already this is, you know, for me this is already annoying to why it doesn't want to blend. Like, how are you supposed to, whatever. Green from the Stargazer. From the Stargazer, yeah. There you go. And then I'm gonna take the brush that we have previously used for the dark green, and just gonna stamp over where we have pulled the light green too far, or not too far, but gonna do this to get some of the darkness back, since we have blended it all. The Maybelline Color 24 Color Tattoo 24 Eyes in the color 60 Timeless Black. This is a gel cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the same gel, and I'm gonna put it in my waterline. And now I did actually plan to take the blue under, but I think that would look ridiculous, so I'm not gonna use the blue. Instead, I will be using 2 colors out of the Kat Von D palette. I will use this color here in the inner corner, and I will actually be taking this gray to smoke out the lower lash line, so I'm gonna do that first. I think we definitely need to use the gold. That is absolutely not safe for your eyes, but that's where we're gonna put it, because, you know, I'm an idiot. Next, I really want to use this yellow, but I don't know what to do with it. I decided I'm not gonna put mascara on top of this, because I don't want to have glitter and Vaseline and everything that we have put on the eyes mixed in with my great mascara, so we'll skip mascara, it's fine. Next, we will use the foundation. Best foundation ever. Not. The Dermacool foundation, in case you're wondering. Oh yeah, shit. Quickly, we need to actually clean up some of the fallout, because there is quite some of it. Okay, so this is not technically a fail, this next product I'm gonna use. However, I did get it as a setting powder, but it's my contour if I use it. This is the Fit Me 220 in natural beige. It looks like this, so it's clearly going to be too dark, but this is the only powder that really didn't work for the purpose I bought it for. So I will use it to set the foundation. For highlight, I will be using the gold color in here. Okay, and now on top of this we will put the Alchemist teal aquamarine color. This is actually so nice. Now the only down thing is that you can see the bigger chunks when you're looking straight forward, but I mean on the skin it looks really, really good. Maybe this is just meant to be a highlighter, because if that's that, then yes, it's very good. And for the last step, I did want to use the Jeffree Star one because I just think that is the shittiest product I have bought. But I did do a poll on my phone, which has now died, but I checked it about 5 minutes ago and blue was the highest voted color of the lipsticks, so I'm gonna use that. As you can see, it's quite unevenly pigmented, hence you're gonna need 2 layers of this probably. I know it looks quite nice now, but I'll be honest, it took me 10 minutes to have it on the way it is now, so evenly and, you know, dark. And to be honest, I can't really feel my lips at this point. The layers that are on my lips are so thick and it literally doesn't feel like these are mine lips. It feels really dry. It feels really uncomfortable, to be honest. That's the easiest way to describe it. But it looks amazing. I know it looks really good if you like this sort of color, of course. This is really affordable, so, you know, if you're not actually gonna use it for everyday kind of a use, then this might be a great option for you. I mean, the highlighter is pretty epic. I will definitely be using that. What is it? Alchemist Holographic Transformer as a highlighter from now on, because I think it looks really amazing. However, let's review the eyes, shall we? So if I come really close, you are able to see how crusty the yellow has gotten, and I didn't even have this on for a long time. I had it on for the time of filming, which is probably, let's say, about an hour since I put it on. So actually probably less, probably let's say about half an hour, but already gotten crusty and uneven. I'm pretty sure you can see. Also, let's have a look at the eyes, okay? That's this one as well, so you don't think that it's just that one side. Where the chunky glitter, it has creased already, and again, it hasn't been on for longer than 1 hour. And so yeah, guys, I mean, and the lips, I don't know, on the inside I can already feel it's coming off, so I mean, there's that. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you're doing well, no matter when you're watching this, may it be in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. If you have a video that you would like to see or a product that you would like me to review, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, you can like, share, subscribe, whatever. And yeah, this is it, guys. I will be inserting a picture before I forget of this wonderful look. Probably now that I am talking, because it's not like I'm doing anything important, like, ever. And I will see you in my next video. Hopefully. Bye!